Hello everybody, welcome to Tom's Tips up here in Wigan. And people said to me, Tom, what are you about, you? Well, I'm about helping people, me. I'm about explaining things without using jargon, putting things in simple forms and hoping that some people will gain from it. You might want to put central heating in your own house and you've not a clue. Well, come to me and I'll help you. It's easy, you don't have to be a plumber. Obviously, if you get a plumber, he's going to do it faster, but he's going to charge you, and he's going to charge you proper. But if you can do it yourself, and it's quite simple today, you've got all these push fit fittings, and compression fittings, and cramping fittings, you can click which you want. They all work well. I'll help you do it. So, I'm going to explain to you now central heating in its simplest form. Okay, so this is a basic central heating system. We're not going to have any tanks on here, no valves. We're just going to have a combi boiler and some radiators. We have upstairs radiators. We'll just have 3 of them for this purposes. 3 upstairs and 3 downstairs. And for a radiator to work, it needs a flow and a return. Now what the flow is, let's just go back to the boiler for a minute. And the boiler is a converter. A boiler converts gas energy to heat energy. But it could be gas, it could be diesel or petrol or coal. Whatever it is, it's a little firebox, that's all it is. It's a little firebox and you've got water coming through it. Now the water's picking up the heat and it's taking it out. And it's going to go along your first fix line. Your first fix line is what, if you was putting the pipes in, you first fix your pipes in under your floorboards or wherever you put them in the heating space. So you need what they call a floor pipe. This is the floor pipe. This is the pipe, the floor that picks up the heat and takes it to the radiators. Also, you need a return put in as well, and the return is the pipe that brings back the cooler water back to the boiler, so that the cooler water goes back into the boiler, picks up the heat and takes that out again, and then you feed that to each radiator. So each radiator will have a pipe going off the floor and then a pipe coming out to the other side onto the return, so that the hot water will come out of the boiler into the radiator and then back into the other pipe. And you do that to every radiator all along. And to terminate the pipes, we don't just loop them together. Otherwise, if you loop them together, what will happen? The flow will just go straight into the return and it'll bypass the radiators. Because anything that's not forced to do something won't do it. Everything's lazy. Everything will take the easy route. So what we need, the last one to do, is to go in a radiator, come out of the radiator and go back home. So then you've got your circuit. Now I've not put these in because the more lines I put in, the more complicated it'll look. And it's not complicated at all. It's water going out of the boiler into the radiator, giving off the heat to the room, coming back to the boiler, reheating the water and going over. And central heating is as simple as that in its basic form. So I hope that's helped you some. If it hasn't, go onto the forum and ask me specific questions and I'll answer them. See you later.